Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. There is another partial fraction problem. To solve it, at first to write the expression in the left side. There is a 3 factors, 2x plus 3, x plus 2 and x minus 3. Write the equal sign. And what is the rules? The rules is a over first factor 2x plus 3. You can write any factor below the b or a. Okay, so b over x plus 2 and c over x minus 3. Equation number 1. Now we have to LCM in the right side. Do you know how to LCM between multiple fractional values? The LCM is 2x plus 3, x plus 2, x minus 3, right? So the a part 2x plus 3 is eliminated, so rest of part is x plus 2 and x minus 3, and b part is x plus 2 is eliminated, so rest of is 2x plus 3 and x minus 3, right? Can you guess there is the c part? Which one is eliminated? Yes, x minus 3 is eliminated, so rest of is 2x plus 3 and x plus 2. Yes, the both side denominator is same, so cancel them out. Left side is 11 plus 12 equal the unchanged whole thing, whole expression. It is boring to write the same thing, but you have to write it. It is necessary for the exam. And x plus 2. Okay, finished. It is equation number 2. Now we have to substituting the value in the equation. At first, the a part is 2x plus 3 equals to 0, x equals to what? Minus 3 over 2. So put the value of x equals to minus 3 over 2 in the equation 2. Yes. So substituting the value in the left side, 11 times minus 3 over 2 plus 12. Here look in the equation right side where the 2x plus 3 factor. Here b part and c part has the 2x plus 3, right? So both of them will be 0. So you do not need to show them, show the calculation, but I'm showing them. I'm showing you for better understanding, but you do not need all time. You write the 0 directly. I'm taking the value of x equals to minus 3 from 2x plus 3 factors. So in the equation 2, 2x plus 3 part must be 0. Do you understood? It is unnecessary to write the b part and c part because I know, or you know, they will be 0. Anyway, what is the calculation? I'm using the calculator. It is 4.5 minus 4.5 and a value is minus 2.25. the both, as I said, both 0. What is the value of a? Minus 4.5 and minus 2 divide 2.25, value is 2. Now put the value of second part. Second part is which one? X plus 2, right? So x equals to minus 2. Can you tell me which part of the equation 2 in the right side will be 0? the factor of x plus 2, this part will be 0. So a part will be 0, and what the x plus 2, c part will be 0, right? These two part will be 0. Yes. So now you do not show the total calculation. Just put the 0 over here, 0 and 0. So the only calculation part is b times minus 2 plus 3 and minus 2 minus 3. What is the value of b? I'm using the calculator. It is minus 10 and 5b. b equal 10 over 5, that is minus 2. Now the final part, put the value of x minus 3, that is x minus 3 equals to 0, x equals to 3. Put the value of x equals to 3 in the equation 2. Can you tell me which part will be 0 in the right side of the equation 2? The x minus 3 part is b and c, b and a, right? So this a and b part will be 0, right? Yes, this part and that part are 0, because both this part has x minus 3, and I am taking the x minus 3, x equals to 3 from the x minus 3 factors. So what is the c value? Put the value of 3 over here, 3 times 2 times 3 plus 3, and x plus 2, that is 3 plus 2. That is, what is the calculation? 333 plus 12, that is 45, and it is 45c, c value 1. 45 over 45 equals to 1. So we have a, b and c value. So put all of this in the equation 1, the initial equation, right? A over something, that is a value. What is the value of a? It is 2. 2x plus 3. What is the value of b? Is minus 2. So the plus minus minus. So I write minus between a and b. So this is the answer. I hope you understood.